Hello friends, Namaskar. Now once again we are discussing one another topic which is often appearing in the newspapers, that is MSF, Marginal Standing Facility. Not only the newspapers, if you see the question papers of the previous year, directly or indirectly this term has been used several times, even in 2020 question papers of William Amazon also. So from time to time you will get it. You have to come across in the newspapers, in the question papers. And that's why I decided to discuss in detail. Marginal standing facility. The full form is marginal standing facility. In fact, it's a scheme launched by RBI in 2011. Remember, generally this kind of year test questions are not asked in UPSC, but we could remember. Okay. First, come on the points. The first point is speaking. MSA for marginal standing facility is a system of RBI, Reserve Bank of India, for scheduled commercial banks to avail funds overnight. Second, RBI has introduced this provision to help scheduled banks when interbank liquidity completely dries up and they are in urgent need of money. Third, the maximum amount that can be availed under MSF is the percentage of a bank's NDTL. We'll discuss all these terms one by. Let us complete first the points. Banks can use their SLR or stage 2 liquidity ratio takes loan under MSF. This is a short-term loan used to maintain liquidity of banks. Okay. And last one is MSF helps in reducing the volatility of overnight lending rates and helps banks manage situations where there is a short-term asset liability mismatch. There are so many technical terms. You should not think that once you are going to understand only the MSF, our discussion will clarify only the MSF. But along with the MSF, you'll get a lot of other information also. In our previous video, we have discussed about the repo rate, and often, very often, banks visit RBI to take loan, and that loan is available at the repo rate. Okay, but there is a certain limit. There is a certain limit up to which bank can avail loan from RBI through the repo window, and that limit is decided according to the NDTL. NDTL, that is net demand and time liability. Liability, wherever the term liability is there, it means what we deposit in the bank. Before going forward, let's understand what is NDTL. Net means net. Demand liability means deposit in the current account of a bank, and time liability means deposit in the fixed deposit. When current deposit of a bank and the fixed deposit of a bank at a point of time is added together, clubbed together, that will make the NDTL of the bank. Whenever any bank approaches RBI for loan at the repo rate, first of all, RBI check the NDTL of the bank. Suppose, as per the existing provision norms of RBI, bank can avail loan only up to 1% of the NDTL. Suppose the NDTL of that particular bank is 100 crore. Okay, the NDTL is 100 crore, and under repo rate, bank can avail only 1%. Only 1%. So 1% of 100 crore is 1 crore. And suppose that bank needs more than 1 crore loan, then what would happen? In such a condition, the bank can avail extended loan facility from RBI under MSF. And that's why it is an extended and additional loan facility. And this facility could be availed. Remember, this point is important. This facility, this loan facility under MSF, could be availed by a bank when the bank has already exhausted other loan windows, like repo. Means once the repo requirement is fulfilled, even after that, the bank's need is not going to be met. Bank needs more fund. In such a condition, the excess loan could be availed the MSF, but the rate of interest is little bit higher than the repo rate. As of now, the MSF rate, the rate of interest under MSF is 4.25%. Just now we talked about that repo rate is 4% and repo rate is little bit higher than the repo rate, which is now 4.25%. So bank can avail the loan facility, extended loan facility. Bank can uh, use the MSF facility, provided that this bank has already utilized the repo window, but the need of the bank is not going to be fulfilled. In such a condition, that bank can avail the MSF facility, but the rate of interest would be more than repo rate, that is 4.25% as of now. One thing. Another thing is that it is also a short-term mechanism. Remember, both reverse repo, and MSF are short-term mechanism. It is not available for a short period of time. Here there is a term, interbank liquidity completely dries up. Okay. Generally, what happens initially at the very primary stage, banks always try to meet the requirements taking loans from the other banks. And suppose majority of the banks are facing shortage of liquidity, there is no cash. In such a condition, banks will be bound to visit RBI, and obviously the demand for the liquidity, demand for the cash by the banks from RBI will be higher. Okay. So depending on their NDTA, they can avail loan from RBI at the repo rate. If their need is not going to be satisfied, is not their need not going to be met to the repo window, then they can avail the MSF facility. This is still in practice, and from time to time, this is in newspaper. So whatever we have discussed, one more thing, we leave the last point, short-term asset liability mismatch. Asset liability mismatch means, what we deposit in a bank, in a particular bank uses our funds to extend loan. So that what you deposit in the bank, that is the liability, and when bank extend loan to other, that is the asset of the bank. And when there is a gap when there is a mismatch, means uh, suppose suddenly you approach to the bank to withdraw 5 crore, okay, and bank is not maintaining such a huge amount at that particular point. In such a condition, that bank may approach to other bank to take the loan for a short period of time. If another bank is not beneficial, is not available to extend the loan, then RBI can go, then bank can go to RBI, take the loan under MSF. That's why this is the meaning of short-term asset mismatch, asset liability mismatch. Okay, so in this way, I can hope that whatever we have discussed here, things are clear to you. If something is not clear, you can mention it in the chat box, and later on I can make another video for it. Okay, thank you.